Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, I will be showing you how to remove phone number from Snapchat. So first, open the Snapchat application. Once you open the Snapchat, you need to go to your profile section. For that, click on the profile icon on the top left. And there, you need to go to settings. For that, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Once you are at the settings section, you will see your mobile numbers. So you want to unlink this number from the Snapchat account. For that, the only process how you can unlink is, you have to create a new account. So here, I am just gonna click on log out. And here I am gonna tap on sign up. Now you need to create a new Snapchat account and provide all the information over here. Tap on sign up and accept. Provide your date of birth. Tap on continue. Now you need to provide the password. Click on continue. Provide an email address, or you can click on sign up with phone instead. Now here, what you need to do is, you need to type in your primary phone number. The phone number that you want to remove from your primary account, or the previous account. Type in that number. Click on continue. A confirmation code will be provided to you, type in that code over here. Once it's done, you will be logged into this account, and your phone number from previous account will get removed as your primary phone number. Now if you go back and check your previous account, the phone number will be removed from there. This is the only way to unlink the phone number from your Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful, and you are able to remove phone number from Snapchat. Don't forget to like our video and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.